Hello, and welcome back to the Memorial Aftercare channel. Today we will offer some more valuable advice on the cleaning and maintenance of memorials. Today's topic is delicate but important. How to clean bird droppings on headstones. We will discuss why it is crucial to remove bird droppings from a headstone or other memorial, and provide you with the correct and safe methods to do so. So let's get started. As we know, birds love to perch themselves on top of statues, various monuments, and of course, headstones. Bird droppings on a memorial might seem like a minor issue, but it can actually cause long-term damage if left unattended. The acidic nature of bird droppings can gradually erode the materials used in memorials, leaving unsightly stains and affecting their integrity. By regularly removing bird droppings, you not only preserve the appearance of the memorial, but also extend its lifespan. So what's the best way to clean bird droppings on a headstone? First, start by gathering a few supplies: a soft brush or sponge, a scraper, though you may want to avoid this on softer stones, a very mild soap or specialist headstone cleaner, and enough water for the clean and rinse. And don't forget, a very gentle approach. First, begin by wetting the affected area with clean water. Then apply a small amount of mild soap or detergent to your brush or sponge. Gently scrub the bird droppings, taking care not to apply excessive pressure that could damage the memorial's surface. For headstones made of granite or other hard stones, you can use the scraper to more easily remove any stubborn droppings and deposits. Finally, rinse the area thoroughly with water to remove any soap residue. Remember, it's crucial to choose cleaning agents that are gentle and non-abrasive, and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools that could cause more harm than good. Memorials that are made from a harder stone, such as granite, can withstand more applied pressure. Meanwhile, softer stones, such as limestone or sandstone, must be handled very delicately. If you are unsure about the appropriate cleaning method for a specific stone material or memorial type, it is always best to consult a professional. Here at Memorial Aftercare, we offer a range of professional memorial cleaning and maintenance services in cemeteries across South Wales, Bristol, and Herefordshire. Our experienced team will ensure that your memorial receives the utmost care and attention it deserves. To learn more about our services, visit our website at memorialaftercare.com. You can find the link in the description below. Do consider following us on social media too. You can find us on both Facebook and Twitter with plenty of memorial tips, articles and advice. Again, the links are provided in the description below. We hope you found this guide helpful in keeping your memorials clean and well maintained. Remember, regular cleaning and proper care can preserve the beauty and integrity of these special tributes. If you have any questions, or if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in the future, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional Memorial Aftercare advice. Thank you for watching.